In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted Instagram chats. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover some deleted chats on Instagram, then what you have to do is to open Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to settings. Now tap on the search bar and in the search bar type download your information. Tap on download your information. Then tap on request a download. Tap on the second option that says select types of information. Okay, so we only want to recover our deleted chats on Instagram. Therefore, select this messages option and click on next. Then tap on submit request. Once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted chats on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file on your email, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted chats on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.